A very good morning to class 10th students. I hope you all are doing good. I am back with the chapter Lifelines of National Economy, and I am going to complete the chapter in a day or two. Okay, talking about the chapter Lifelines of National Economy, we have done many things in the chapter, and today I am going to explain you the air transport and the ports. Okay, so talking about air transport, you know air transport is the fastest means of transport. The helicopters, the jet planes, the flights, the aeroplanes, they are the fastest mode of transport, but they are also the costliest modes of transport. कोई सस्ता नहीं है जो तुम सोचो कि अगर वो सस्ता है आम आदमी के बस में है, तो नहीं है. इट इज द फास्टेस्ट एंड द कॉस्टलीस्ट मोड ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट. सेकेंडली, इट इज यूज्ड वाइडली. इट इज ऑफ ग्रेट इंपॉर्टेंस बिकॉज इट सेव्स अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम एंड एनर्जी. Important things can be transported from one place to another place within hours. Okay, and third, in the time of emergency, for providing the materials, the weapons and the relief measures to our jawans at borders or in the hilly areas, it is only that means of transport that is required. So means of transport, that is air transport, first of all, it is used because it saves a lot of time. It also saves a lot of energy. Second, it provides emergency needs to border areas, to our jawans, to our soldiers in the time of wars and I would be saying natural disasters. And for third, for reaching the hilly areas and the high altitude areas, the areas where the road transport and rail transport is not accessible, we can easily land by air transport using flights or helicopters. So air transport is always an important part of the transport system. Clear? Secondly, we move on to ports. What are ports? Yes, the harbors, the ports, where ships take shelter, where ships movement of ships take place, that is known as a port. So we have many ports in India because we know southern India and eastern India and the western India all are situated near the ports. They are all having seas. In the bottom we have Indian Ocean, here we have Arabian Sea, here we have what? Bay of Bengal. In between the country also we have number of seas from which the movement of ships take place. So what about ports? Let's see how many major ports in India we have. Major ports. We have major as well as minor ports. So first I will be telling you about the major ports in India. Major means most important ports in India. It is the Mumbai, Kochi, okay? Mumbai, Cochin, these are the important and major ports of India. Here we consider Mumbai port as one of the most important ports in India because a lot of cargo is sent through this port. Okay, next important port is West Coast port in Tuticorin, Chennai and North. I will give you the notes. Chennai port is also very important port. Cochin, Chennai, Mumbai, these are the very important ports. Okay, Mangalore, Visakhapatnam, These are also some of the major important ports which you have to mark on map. Okay, so a lot of cargo, a lot of material is exported and imported or sent to different places with the help of these major ports. Okay, other than this, we have 181 minor ports also. Minor ports. Minor ports are scattered all over India. पूरे देश में फैले हुए हैं, छोटे छोटे पोर्ट्स हैं हर स्टेट, और इनकी मैनेजमेंट कौन करती है? स्टेट गवर्नमेंट. द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट मैनेजेस these small ports. Okay, Mangalore, Visakhapatnam, Chennai, Kochi, Mumbai, they are the major ports, and other than this we have smaller or minor ports that are managed by the state government themselves. Okay, what is the importance of ports? How are ports differentiated into major and minor? That I will tell you. First of all, it is the frequency of ships. कितनी ज़्यादा ships आती जाती हैं. Frequency of ships. Frequency of ships बहुत important है. कितनी ships आती हैं, कितनी ships जाती हैं, कितना शिप्स का मूवमेंट है, कितना शिप्स का मूवमेंट नहीं है. इससे पता चलता है कि पोर्ट मेजर है कि माइनर है. और इंपोर्ट कितना होता है, कितना सामान अंदर आता है हम बाहर से लेते हैं. एक्सपोर्ट कितना होता है, कितना सामान हम दूसरे देशों को भेजते हैं. और टोटल ट्रेड वहाँ पे कितना है, इंपोर्ट प्लस एक्सपोर्ट से टोटल ट्रेड कितना है. इससे पोर्ट की इंपॉर्टेंस पता चलती है. We come to know the importance of these ports with the help of frequency of ships. कि कितनी शिप वहाँ पे आती हैं, कितनी शिप शेल्टर लेती हैं, कितनी रुकती हैं, कितनी वहाँ से चलती हैं, कितनी उसको पास करती हैं. जैसे कि ट्रेन्स में होता है, किसी इंपॉर्टेंट स्टेशन पे सारी ट्रेनें रुकती हैं, इसी तरह इंपॉर्टेंट पोर्ट पे भी सारी शिप्स का मूवमेंट होता है. अब वहाँ से कितना सामान दूसरी जगह जाता है, कितना आता है और कितना बिजनेस वहाँ से होता है. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फीचर ऑफ द पोर्ट्स. ओके, अब क्या करते हैं हम, ये हो गया. तो आई टोल्ड यू टुडे एयरवेज, आई टोल्ड यू टुडे